Thank you for joining us at our home to be a part of the investment real estate revolution. Our family's roots in real estate run deep, with our father standing as one of Canada's most prominent developers. This heritage has instilled in us a profound understanding and passion for real estate, which we see not just as business, but as a part of who we are. At the Rocca Sisters team, we channel this passion into helping our clients invest in what we firmly believe in is the most profitable and secure investment: real estate. Our commitment is to guide you through the complexities of real estate investment with the wisdom only decades of first-hand experience can provide.
We are excited to share this incredible information with you. Real estate investments are a fantastic way to pay off your mortgage, secure your children's education, and build wealth for retirement. They offer high returns, and the best part is that it's tangible investment. Plus, it's generally considered low risk.
The future of real estate is looking promising too, with the growing number of new immigrants and potential first-time homebuyers entering the market. And even with rising interest rates, they're still holding historically low. In Ontario alone, there's a housing gap of 3.5 million, with 1.5 million in Ontario.
Let us share a real-life example to show you the potential. There was a bungalow bought for $645,000 in 2020 and sold for $905,000 in 2022. That's a significant increase in just 2 years.
If you're wondering how to get started, one strategy might be buying investment properties with no money down by using and leveraging your current equity. It's a great way to enter the market and start building your real estate portfolio.
There are different ways to invest in real estate, like being a single investor, forming a partnership, or considering co-ownership. Each option has its own leverage. Let's explore some investment scenarios to find the best fit for you. Let's join the real estate investment revolution.